How to find and sync contacts on Instagram. Hi everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Instagram application. Then on your bottom right corner, tap on your profile icon. Then on your top right, tap on this three-line menu bar. Tap on settings and privacy. And then tap on account center. From here, tap on your information and permission. Here you will see this last option, upload contacts. And then simply select any of these and enable disconnect contacts. Allow it and you will be done. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.